CarStory research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include leather seats, blind spot monitor, rear heated seats, dual sun moonroof, ventilated seats. Stop by and take a look at the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 600 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, hill descent control, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, brake assist. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, ventilated front seats, auxiliary audio input. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.